When we talk about managing a small business in today's world, the last thing we want is to get bogged down by a CRM that feels like it requires a PhD to operate. That is exactly where Bigin by Zoho CRM comes into the picture. Now, we know Zoho already has their flagship CRM, but Bigin is a whole different one. It's essentially their minimalist, AI-ready CRM, designed specifically for smaller teams who need to move fast. It's built to support AI-powered workflows, which allows you to securely connect AI tools like Claude to gain deeper insights and even build agents to engage customers or analyze data for you. Today, we're reviewing Bigin to see how it balances that simple feel with the power of a modern intelligent system to meet small business requirements. Moving right into the actual user experience, the first thing we noticed is just how refreshing the simplicity feels. When we create an account, Bigin doesn't bury us in setup wizards or complex modules. Instead, we jump straight into the pipeline view. There are 30-plus pipeline templates available for different teams and industries that can be customized based on business requirements. This is intentional because for any small business, the pipeline gives a complete view of what's going on, which deals are closed and which are stuck, all at a single glance. It feels really natural. The user interface is designed with a left-to-right logic that makes navigation second nature.
On the left sidebar, we have our core features: pipelines, contacts, companies, products, activities, and dashboard, neatly tucked away. If you integrate WhatsApp chat with Bigin, then a messages module will also be added there.
Then, looking at the top right corner, there's a handy shortcut button for creating new records on the fly right alongside your notifications, signals, and settings. If you've ever used the full Zoho CRM, these elements will feel very familiar, but they're much more streamlined here. We also love that we can toggle between light and dark modes depending on your vibe. Overall, the user experience is incredibly simple, which is exactly what a small team needs to stay productive without a steep learning curve. Now, let's get a closer look at the pipelines, because this is where Bigin truly earns its keep. The core of this section is all about visual clarity. The default view is the Kanban board, which lets us drag and drop deals from one stage to another, but we can easily switch to a list or sheet view. When we click on a deal card, it opens up a comprehensive world of information. We can see contact details, company info, and even specific tags or descriptions that help us keep things organized. What's really cool is the 360-degree view inside each card. We can see the entire timeline of interactions, notes, and even stage history to see exactly where a deal might have stalled. The integration is so tight that we can actually collect payments or send emails directly from the deal record without ever switching tabs. Another unique feature of Bigin's pipeline setup is that we aren't limited to just one flow. We can add sub-pipelines. This is very useful because if your business has a sales and you need to have different sales pipelines for different regions, you can create sub-pipelines. Managing them all from one place keeps the whole team aligned. Plus, if you're not sure where to start, Bigin provides a library of pipeline templates tailored for different industries like real estate, law, or e-commerce. We just pick a template and the stages are already built for you, so we don't have to create anything from scratch. Next, we need to talk about how Bigin handles our relationship data. The contacts and companies modules are essentially the brain of the CRM. In Bigin, these are treated as two separate but deeply interconnected entities. When we add a contact, we can associate them with a company, which immediately aggregates all the data from every team member into one shared view. This prevents that awkward moment where two people from our team accidentally reach out to the same client with different information. One of the most authentic features we found is the email in functionality. It allows us to set up aliases so that incoming emails from clients automatically find their way into the right contact record. These days, data accuracy is everything, so Bigin also includes a card scanner in the mobile app. If we're at a networking event, we just snap a photo of a business card and Bigin populates the contact fields for us.
Users can import existing contacts if they are stored in spreadsheets, notes, or other CRMs with just a few clicks.
As we move further into the sales process, we come across the products module. While Bigin is a light CRM, it doesn't skimp on the essentials for product-based businesses. We can maintain a clean list of everything we sell, including pricing and descriptions. When we're working on a deal in the pipeline, we can quickly associate specific products with that deal. What we found particularly useful is the two-way sync with accounting tools like Zoho Books or QuickBooks. This means when we add a product to a deal in Bigin, it reflects correctly for invoicing later. It's not just a digital filing cabinet, it's a functional tool that helps us track which products are our best sellers and which ones might need a little more marketing push. For a small business, having this level of inventory and product deal association without a complex ERP system is a huge win. Continuing the flow of our workday, we have the Activities module, which is where the doing happens. There's now a beautiful calendar view available on the Activities page that gives us a clear map of what's coming next. One of the key features here is the Booking Pages integration. This is a massive update because it allows you to share a link with clients so they can book meetings based on your real-time availability. No more back and forth "Are you free at 2 p.m." emails. From this section, we can also create tasks, schedule events, and even make calls directly if we have the telephony integration set up. In fact, we can make and receive calls directly from Bigin. This is huge because support people won't have to dig through different software for handling customer queries and calls. As for sync options, we've got full integration with Google Calendar and Microsoft Calendar. This ensures that if we book a personal appointment on our phone, it shows up as busy in Bigin, preventing any scheduling conflicts. It's all about making sure nothing falls through the cracks while we're busy growing the business. Of course, all this data doesn't mean much if we can't make sense of it, and that's where the dashboard comes in. Bigin provides us with a visual summary of our business health through various KPIs and charts. We can see things like deals won versus lost and top performing users in real time. In the latest version, the dashboards are highly customizable. We can use the target meter to set specific goals for our team, like hitting a certain revenue milestone by the end of the month, and watch the progress bar fill up as we close deals. It's not just a bunch of static numbers. We can actually drill down into any chart to see the specific records behind the data. This level of insight is usually reserved for much more expensive software, but Bigin makes it accessible for even the smallest startup. Beyond the core modules that we just mentioned, Bigin packs a serious punch with several advanced features that keep your business running on autopilot. First, let's talk about Booking Pages. This is a massive update that lets you create a no-code scheduling page to share with clients. They can book meetings based on your real-time availability, and Bigin automatically handles the reminders, virtually eliminating no-shows. To keep the conversation flowing where your customers already are, Bigin offers a seamless WhatsApp integration. You can manage all your WhatsApp messages directly from the CRM, ensuring your team has a unified view of every chat. And when it comes to capturing new leads, the Zoho Forms integration is a game changer. You can build custom forms, embed them on your site, and watch as new entries automatically populate as records in your pipeline. No manual entry required. Bigin also simplifies the boring part of business, paperwork. With payment collection, you can generate secure payment links and send them to clients directly from a deal record. Pair this with Bigin's workflows, and you can automate the entire journey, like instantly sending a thank you email the second a payment is confirmed.
Bigin integrates with everyday applications such as Microsoft Teams, MailChimp, etc. And we can't ignore automation here. With Bigin's automation, you can automate your repetitive tasks easily. You can pick a trigger, set conditions, figure out actions, and schedule those actions. That's the easiest way to create an automation within Bigin.
Ultimately, we believe Bigin is the absolute best fit for micro businesses and small teams who find traditional CRMs too bloated. It provides the perfect balance of simplicity and professional-grade features. If you're ready to ditch the spreadsheets and finally get a 360-degree view of your customers, Bigin is the way to go. Check out the description to start your free trial today. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.